Okay, used tire stores selling minimally worn tires for $36 off and new tire price $60 each. Find discount rate on these tires. We got basically two types of problems, and there's different ways of working these, by the way. We have two types. We have a type where you start with an amount and you add your amount times percent, and that's going to give you your total. And you have the second one where you start with your amount and you subtract your amount times a percent, and that's going to give you your total. Example is first one is sales tax. Buy something in the store for $10. I go up there and they take my $10 plus $10 times the percent, sales tax percent, and that gives me total I have to pay. The second one here is like a discount rate. You start with your amount minus your amount times a percent, and that gives you your discounted price. You're knocking 20% off, for example. So let's look at this. Used tires selling minimally worn tires, $36 off the new tire price, $60 each. Find discount rate. So we're going to have our price, and we're doing discounts. We're subtracting, and we'll have our price times the percent is going to equal to our new price. So I'll just say new price. Okay, so the original price was $60. So this will be 60 minus 60 times R. And the new price. Now it says is selling minimally worn tires for $36 off the new tire price. So they're taking a 60 minus 36. So the price, we're knocking that off, and this is going to be our new price. So put 24 into that. Tires for $24. This must be an old problem. Haven't updated it. Now here, this is a linear equation, so I'll go through my steps for solving it. First step, get rid of parentheses, don't have any. Second step, get rid of fractions, don't have any. Third step, get everything with an R on one side, numbers on the other. So I'll take a negative 60R over the right side, take 24 over the left side. So I got 60 minus 24 equals 60R. And that gives us 36 equals 60R. Divide both sides by the number in front of your R, so we'll divide both sides by 60. Now 60's cancel. And those are at least both of us by 12, I think. Let me do 6 first, though. So 36 divided by 6 gives me 6. 60 divided by 6 gives me 10. The reason I did that, it's easier to work with. Because in decimal form, that would be 0.6 if I plugged it in my calculator. And to change that to percent form, we have to move the decimal 2 places to the right. So that would give us 60% is our R. So it would be B, as in Bill. So if I come down here, double check my answer, B is in Bill. And that would be our solution for that. There's different ways of working these. I like to stick with these two formulas if I can. But if you saw another way to work it, got the right answer, then that's fine.